Attention station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Dan Hewitt. Robotics controllers let the cat out of the bag this week, or rather the trunk. The Cloud Aerosol Transport System, or CATS for short, was installed this week on the station's Japanese exposed facility. Carried up on SpaceX 5, CATS will feed continuous data on the Earth's cloud and aerosol coverage so scientists can better understand the ever-changing global climate. Just another way the space station is working off the Earth for the Earth. And Station Commander Butch Wilmore put on his farmer's hat this week to work with a new plant study. The Advanced Plant Experiment 3, or APEX 3, is the latest in a series of investigations studying how microgravity affects a plant's root and cell development. This will help guide the future engineering of plants so they can be grown for long-term missions and planetary exploration, like our first trip to Mars. This week's Twitter question asks, why does ISS fly over different countries during each orbit? Shouldn't the pattern repeat? Well, it seems like a pretty simple question, but it did take a quick lesson in orbital dynamics from Flight Director Ed Van Cise to find the answer. The biggest factor is as the station orbits the Earth rotates at a slower speed underneath. And just to make things more complicated, Earth is not a perfect sphere, which adds a little extra gravitational pull every time the station crosses over the equator, shifting its orbit slightly west every go-around. Make sure to keep sending your questions and comments using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.